I would like to show you how to make a simple cough syrup that contains only 2 ingredients. We'll be using honey and onion, 2 fantastic ingredients to uphold your immune system in times of fighting off colds or infections. Onion contains antioxidants, which are just insane for your body. They clear out free radicals, they keep your body healthy. It also contains anti-inflammatory properties, which we're going to use for that chest congestion that you have. And it's also an antibacterial, which is going to help clear out any viruses that you have in your body. Then we're going to be using honey, which has incredible antimicrobial properties, antibacterial properties. It really goes into your system and it helps fight off anything that you have in there. So with these 2 combined, you're making one powerful cough syrup that's going to help clear out any infection or bacteria that you have in the body that's causing any illness. We like to use organic, pure, raw honey. Typically we get it local from our farmer's market. Getting local honey helps your body actually adapt to your surrounding environment. The pollen in the air, the allergens in the air, all of that, that's going to be your local honey. That's why it's so important to buy local honey. That, and you're also supporting a local farmer. To get started, you're going to take, I have right here about a cup of honey and maybe a quarter medium onion. You're going to cut them into rings. You're going to place them in a bowl. Once you have your onion in a bowl, go ahead and pour some honey over it until it covers all of the onion that you have in the bowl. We're going to go ahead and cover it, and we're going to leave it overnight. This is going to allow all of the properties of both the honey and the onion to infuse and just create this really beautiful syrup. And in the morning, you're going to take out all of the onion and either discard it or, I don't know, make a fancy recipe out of it. And then you're going to use whatever's left in the honey as your cough syrup. After your honey is all strained, you're just going to use a teaspoon for your little ones. It could be 1 to 3 times a day, and then a tablespoon for adults, 1 to 3 times a day, depending on how bad the congestion is in your chest. To make this go down a little easier for your little ones, you can always put it in some warm water, make a little tea out of it, whatever's going to get them to drink it a little bit easier, but they're not really going to taste the onion flavor. We try to keep our videos short, simple, to the point, but we do have a blog. If you go ahead and visit that blog, you will find detailed posts on a lot of the things that we talk about. This particular cough syrup will be posted, and there'll be globs of information on both onion and the honey and how everything works and how your body is going to react better towards something that's natural rather than cough syrup that you buy off the shelf. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe and ask any questions that you want down below, and we will answer them or make another video. See you next time.